Food discovery has been a discovery. We wouldn't have done this because the opportunity that children have had to do all the stuff, planting, gardening, cooking, tasting, it's just been great to see them over the year doing all these fun activities. They've loved it. So have their parents as well. And I think it's been something that we don't do or wouldn't be able to do in a regular school year because we wouldn't have the funding for it or the staff. And having the lovely Kirsty who comes into work with them makes a massive difference.
Have you got any questions before we do introductions? Yeah.
Her role is quite keen because we wouldn't have the capacity to do that with the staff that we have. She organized everything behind the scenes. She has bid for funding. She has brought us in equipment, different things, which is all done through County Trust. We wouldn't be able to do that at all. So having her has been a godsend. So what Kirsty does, she'll take half of the class when she's in to work with them with another member of staff, who's a TA or the class teacher. And her role is to encourage children to try different things. And they go through the process of actually tilling the soil, planting the seeds, watching it grow over time, reaping it, preparing it, eating it.
We'll dig up a hole and then we'll put 2 seeds. But we accidentally put too much seeds, so we're going to take the seeds back and we're going to keep them for another one.
In primary school, in Lewisham, in the centre of London, we don't have those facilities because we don't have the garden space. Now, lucky for our schools, we do have patches where we have stuff that we can do. And I think with the children who've done that, they are so excited about it. They look forward to the days when Kirsty comes in to work with them. Because for the rest of the week, they don't have those opportunities. So those days are when they're happiest because they get a chance to do all sorts.
Then do it here. I'm going to put some where the dry soil is.
One of my dreams or wishes is to have children learn skills that they can take into everyday lives. Now, the curriculum doesn't lend itself to that. We do maths, we do English, we do history, we do science. But things like cooking is a very key skill. We all have to eat at some point.
Miss, is that deep enough?
No, deeper.
One of the things in terms of well-being, children doing this seems to be happier. It's a chance for them to just be themselves, to be in the outdoor space, fresh air. Like on a day like today when it's nice and sunny outside, it's nice than being in the classroom. So I think those are things that will impact on anybody's mental health.
So it can be healthy.
We've captured a lot of it on our social media, and I've had friends ask me, do you pay your children to smile? Because we always see them smiling because it shows that they're happy, they're enjoying what they're doing. And it has made a huge difference. We've had children try new things that they would have never ever eaten. But because of this process that they're doing, they've been exposed to different things, and it has made a huge difference for them. So we're quite pleased, and we hope we can maintain this, obviously with the right funding, and if we could keep a hold of Kirsty, that we even better, because she has been amazing in this whole journey.
If you see any of those in the garden, those are things that you have planted yourself and they've already grown. Isn't that cool?